I welcome you all for the valedictory function of the 3 days national workshop on CSR UGC NET GRF LS preparation in life sciences. This is the part 2 which was scheduled from 17th to 19th August 2020. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Dr. Nitin Labane, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri, and founder member of online platform Botany for You for the learners of life sciences, on behalf of the organizing team of Botany for You, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the honorable delegates who has blessed us with their presence and outlook and valuable time of their busy schedule. I like to thank the speaker on the first day of national workshop, that is 17th August, for contributing their lectures and sharing with budding researchers and faculty members. Dr. Rachna Kumari, faculty in genetics, Bhavans Vivekanand College, Sainikpur, Telangana. O.S. Deshmukh, faculty in botany, Mahatma Phule Mahavidyalay, Varud. Mr. Rajesh Dhakne, faculty in microbiology, Jayavantrao Sawant College, Hadapsar, Pune. Mr. Shivdas Aher, faculty in botany, MSP College, Manora, District, Washing. I am also grateful to the speakers on 18th August for contributing their talks on various topics with students and faculty members, namely Dr. Akash Gautam, faculty in zoology, University of Hyderabad, Telangana. Mr. Daneshwar Lanjewar, faculty in botany, YC College, Lakhandur. Dr. S. Malathi, faculty in botany, Government Arts College, Nandanam, Chennai. Mr. Shailendra Madavi, faculty in botany, Sri RLT College of Science, Akola. I am also grateful to the guest speaker on the last day of the national workshop, that is today, 19th August, for contributing their videos on various topics with potential researchers and faculty members, namely Dr. R. Nathyatharani, faculty in microbiology, Kaveri College of Women's from Trichy. Mahesh B. Jagtap, faculty in botany, PSG VPM College, Shahada, Nandurbar. Devilal Watkhare, faculty in botany, RMG College, Sauli, Chandrapur. Ashwini Pokhmare, faculty in botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Akola. I am thankful to all the founder members of the online platform Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, University of Virginia, United States of America. Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor, Sri Shivaji Science College, Akola. Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. And finally, the central pillar and the founder of the online platform Botany for You, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial College, Nagpur, for all the support for the smooth conduct of this 3 days national workshop on CSR UGC NET GRF LS preparation in life sciences, which was scheduled from 17th to 19th August. Wishing all the learners from the domain of life sciences a very good learning experience, which will not only help the budding researchers who are aiming to enter India's topmost premier institute for doing PhD and contributing in the development of our country by clearing NET examination. I wish all the faculty members who have been the members of NTOILS a good academic year and their commitment in the grooming the younger generation and contributing in the nation development process. Thanking you all for being with us all the time on the online platform Botany for You for learners of life sciences. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.